Okay. Good morning, students. Students, last time, if you all remember, we have started with the calendar chronicle, right? Last time we have started with the calendar chronicle. अगर आपको याद होगा, हमने calendar chronicle के बारे में start किया था. So, what is a calendar? So, if you remember, I have shown you this small PDF, right? Where we have seen that what a chronicle is. Chronicle is what? List of something like how you were born, in which year you were born, or a place where you see a list of events happening, है ना? जहाँ पे लिस्ट ऑफ इवेंट्स पूरे कब से कब तक हुआ क्या हुआ सो इट्स कॉल्ड एज अ क्रॉनिकल सो योर कैलेंडर इज अ क्रॉनिकल दैट वी have seen. Then few different types of chronicles were available that also we have seen. So here you can see, here they are using a flower theme, है ना? फ्लावर थीम यूज किया और सारे डेट्स है, डेज हैं एंड डेट्स लिखे हुए हैं. Similarly, here you can see on the left hand side is a calendar where you have all the Christmas theme. So this we have seen, and then we have also done activity. If you all remember, we have done this activity. अगर आपको याद होगा तो हमने activity भी किया था, where we have asked in the class how many students are in the class, and then we have seen about the rows and columns. Then we have also seen about pen, pencil, eraser, books. Then we have colored this using different Vibgyor colors, right? Then also we have seen in the we have done small activity in the classroom where you have seen how many students are washing what utensils, helping their parents in the at home. So about that also we have seen, and we have written the numbers over here, right? So this was the activity that we have done last time. Today, moving ahead, we are going to see with the second part, or we are going to actually make a table. Okay, so to make a table, what to do first? Let's build a small school directory. Okay, now in this school directory, what you have to do, you have to write down the names of all the students of your class. You have to put their phone number and you have to put their addresses. So last time I have explained you how to do. So let's see what you will do. You have to open MS Word. Okay, and if you are not having MS Word in your mobile phone, you have to download MS Word from the Play Store. You can also download Google Doc from Play Store, or you can also download WPS Office. So there are many different apps available to download this. So you can download. I'm repeating once again. I'll just show you what things you can download. You can download MS Word from Play Store, or you can download Google Docs from Play Store, or you can also download WPS Office from Play Store. So but best will be if you download MS Word. अगर आप MS Word download करोगे, it will be best. Now when you're downloading MS Word, please click on sign in later. साइन इन लेटर पे आप क्लिक करोगे. डोंट क्लिक ऑन साइन. अगर आप साइन इन पे क्लिक करोगे, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू ओपन इट. सो क्लिक ऑन, देयर इज ऑप्शन कॉल्ड एज साइन इन लेटर. You have to click on sign in later, then only you will be able to work with MS Word. So you can use any of these three apps to make a table. Now today we are going to make a table. Okay, today we are going to make a table with three different columns. हम three columns बनाने वाले हैं. The first column that we want is the name of the child. Then second thing that we are going to make four columns. So first column is going to be the number. Second column is going to be the name of the child. Third column is going to be a telephone number. And the fourth one is going to be their address. Okay, so these four things we have to do. Actually last time I explained you how to do, but I am again telling you how we have to work on this. Okay, so just have a look. So what you will do, you will go in the insert tab. Okay, if you are using a mobile phone, the mobile phone also you get the option of insert. आपको वहाँ पे insert का tab दिखता है, नीचे corner में होता है. Click on insert. In insert you have table. You have to click on table. Now when you click on table, here you get the option of insert table. यहाँ पे भी option available होता है, ये देखो. This way also you can do, or you have to click on insert table. So I have clicked on insert table. So how many columns I want? I want one, two, so number. Second is name. Third is telephone number. Fourth is address. So how many columns? Four columns. And how many rows I want to write down for 10 students? मुझे 10 बच्चों के लिए करना है. So for 10 and okay. So once you have done, see the table is ready. So what you first is what? First is the number. Then second is the name of your friend. Third is the telephone number. And fourth is the address. Okay, so here you will be writing down the number. number 1, number 2, number 3 and so on. आप number 1 2 3 4 से करोगे, ठीक है? So see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and here you will add on the name. For example, Raghu, then Harsh. You can add any name. You can add name of your friends. Siddhesh, Arya, Mahi, Apurva, Yogesh, Kartiki, and Vidhi. And now you will write down their telephone. You can add any random telephone numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So random number I'm writing over here, okay? ये मैंने random numbers लिखा है. And here you are going to add on the address. So for example, Indira Nagar, Pimpalgaon, Nasik Road, Nasik Road, Satpur Colony, uh, Jail Road, Nasik City, Pimpalgaon. Okay, so this way you will be writing. So in this way your dictionary will be, ऐसे आपकी dictionary क्या बन जाएगी पूरी, right? This is the way your dictionary will be ready. Once you have done with this completion, what you will do, you will take the screenshot from here like this, and then you will come in your Google Classroom. You will come in your Google Classroom. Okay, we'll come to a Google Classroom, and then see 1 minute. We'll come to a Google Classroom. I'm just sharing. Just have a look on my screen. Wherever your Google Classroom is, class 3. Okay, in the stream, here you have to paste. So you can write down your name. So I'll write down my name, and then here you have to paste or attach from here. Just now screenshot we have taken, so you need to attach from there. Open, post. Okay, so see, I have posted my file over here. You can see my file is pasted. This is the way you will be doing this activity. Okay, see many of them are like, I can see Aradhya, so many of them have pasted this. बहुत लोगों ने paste किया है, so but the one those who have not done yet, they need to complete. So good, I can see many of them have done. Very good. See, you can see your friends, many of your friends have completed, but I only can see 3 students. Others also have to complete it. Fine. Others also have to complete this part. Okay. Now, once you have done with this is going to be an activity for today. ये आपको आज करना है. Once you have done with this, we are going to see with the next part. Let's start with that. Now we are going to see something about list. हम list के बारे में. What is a list? List is nothing but what? An item name. Okay, means different names of something written in a proper order is called as a list. For example, आप बोल रहे हो, आप जा रहे हो market में, या your mother has told to go to a shop to bring some things for home. Okay, some items for home. So for example, your mother has asked to go and bring milk and sugar and tea powder, okay, and lemon. So these 4 items she has said. So what you will do, she will make a list for it. Okay, she will make a list for that. आप उसका लिस्ट बनाओगे, है ना। आपकी मम्मा उसका लिस्ट बना के आपको देगी, बिकॉज सो मेनी थिंग्स वी कांट रिमेम्बर, तो आपकी मम्मा उसका लिस्ट बना के देगी आपको, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ लिस्ट. ओके. So you can see list of subjects. So number one is English, number two is maths, number three is science. So what we have done here, they have made a list of subjects with proper number. Numbering भी किया है. First English, second maths, third science. Okay. नाउ देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लिस्ट. दो टाइप के लिस्ट होते हैं. एक होता है नंबर्ड लिस्ट 1 2, जहाँ पे हम नंबर्स देते हैं 1 2 3 4. और सेकंड होता है बुलेटेड लिस्ट, जहाँ पे हम नंबरिंग नहीं देते हैं, हम डॉट्स देंगे या बुलेट्स देंगे. दिस आर कॉल्ड एज डॉट. डॉट मतलब क्या होता है, बुलेट्स. ओके. so this is called as numbered list with 1 2 3 4 as number, and this is called as bulleted list where we give bullet. bullet मतलब कोई इमेज हो गया, डॉट हो गया, एक एरो हो गया, एक बॉक्स हो गया, जहाँ पे हम नंबर नहीं देते हैं. तो टू टाइप्स की लिस्ट होती है, नंबर्ड एंड बुलेटेड. ओके. so how what we have seen now, we have seen what is a list. We have seen two types of list. One is called as numbered list and second is called as bulleted list. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, so what are different lists that we make in our daily lives? How are they useful to us? तो भी आपको सोचना है. अभी आप एक आपकी बुक लोगे और आपकी बुक में लिस्ट बनाओगे, अलग अलग टाइप के. आप लिस्ट ऑफ बुक्स कितनी है वो आप उसकी लिस्ट बनाओ. सेकेंड आप लिस्ट बनाओगे कि फॉर मेकिंग लेमन जूस व्हाट थिंग्स डू यू रिक्वायर, उसकी लिस्ट बनाओ. तो आपको दो लिस्ट बनानी है. एक है आप द डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ बुक्स यू हैव इन योर बैग, different subjects that you have in your bag, and second is you have to make the list of items required to make a lemon juice. ऐसे आपको दो लिस्ट बना के आपकी नोटबुक में लिखनी है, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट करना है और आप मुझे क्लासरूम में भेजनी है. ठीक है. दिस एक्टिविटी यू हैव टू डू नाउ. ओके. आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू डू दैट एक्टिविटी. वॉट आर डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ योर स्कूल टाइम टेबल. अभी हम स्कूल टाइम टेबल बनाते हैं तो स्कूल टाइम टेबल में क्या क्या होता है, वॉट थिंग इज देयर. सो सी आई शो यू. मैं आपको एक स्कूल टाइम टेबल दिखाती हूँ. ठीक है. सी, लुक हियर. क्या क्या है इसमें. इसमें होता है टाइमिंग होता है, इसमें डे होता है और सब्जेक्ट होता है. सो व्हाट थिंग्स आर देयर इन योर स्कूल टाइम टेबल. यू हैव द टाइमिंग ओवर हियर, and you have the days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then you have the subject names. This is how a school timetable looks like. The timing is here, the days are here, and the subjects are here. ओके. ऐसे आपका स्कूल टाइम टेबल दिखता है. ठीक है. अभी आपको बस ध्यान रखना है हाउ योर स्कूल टाइम टेबल लुक्स लाइक. ओके. so what are different parts of your school timetable? The timing, the name of the subject, and the day. These are the different parts of your school timetable. Okay. Now match the pictures with the correct subject. Now you have to open page number. अभी आपको पेज नंबर 22 ओपन करना है और 22 पेज नंबर पे आपको ऐसी वाली एक्टिविटी दिखेगी. यू हैव टू ओपन पेज नंबर 22 एंड यू हैव टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी. यू हैव टू मैच द पिक्चर्स विद द करेक्ट सब्जेक्ट. तो मैथ्स के लिए कौन सा है नंबर. yes, this number 2 figure is for mathematics. English के लिए कहाँ पे है. yes, number 1 is for English. art मतलब कलरिंग के लिए कौन सा है. yes, the last one is for the arts. and science is number 3. so you have to match. आपको मैच करना है आपके पेंसिल्स की हेल्प से. देखो आपको ऐसे मैच करना है. ठीक है. so you will be completing 3 activities that I have given you. This activity, second is making a list of lemon juice, item required for lemon juice, and the subjects that are there in your bag. And third activity is you have to make the table in MS Word. Okay, so that's all for today. ये आपको पूरा complete करना है in during your ICT class. Once you have done with everything, you have to share the pictures with me in the Google Classroom. आपको ऐसे Google Classroom पे मुझे share करना है. Okay. I hope everything is clear. In case you have any doubt, you will ask me. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day, all of you.